how you can remove apps and websites that are connected to your Facebook. Guys, how to do that. If you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's just start. First, open up your Facebook. Now after you open your Facebook, you will see this initial page right here. You will have to go to the menu on the bottom right. Now after that, on the top you will see the settings option. It looks like a gear icon. Now after you tap on it, just scroll down till you find your information. Till you find your activity. Now under your activity you will see the apps and websites. Tap on apps and websites. Now right there you will see all the apps and websites that have access to your Facebook. I mean, that is connected to your Facebook. Now you can remove them by simply tapping on it, tapping on one, and just remove it. Now after you remove it, you will be able to notify TikTok that your login connection was removed, and they will offer you another way to log in. Now just tap on remove, and it might take some time and it will get removed. Now you can see your removed apps and websites by just tapping on this view removed apps and websites, and then you will be able to see all of the apps and websites that you have removed already. So let's just do that for Pinterest too. Now there you go. As you can see, now we don't really have any of those available right here. Yeah, so that is how you unlink or remove apps and websites that are connected to your Facebook. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.